Transport can perform certain work. For example, assistance vehicles such as ambulances. They hurry to those who need urgent medical attention. Fire engine. It puts out fires. Police car. It patrols the streets and keeps order. Street sweeper. It sweeps and cleans the streets. Garbage truck. It collects garbage and takes it to the landfill or recycling mill. Tow truck. It helps to take away a car that cannot drive on its own. Truck. It carries a wide variety of cargo. Fuel tank truck. It transports gasoline in a large tank. Car carrier. It is in the business of transporting cars. These are the helper cars.